Today, let's dive into Harajuku, Tokyo's epicenter of youth culture and cutting-edge fashion. Harajuku is famous for its vibrant street fashion and eclectic style. Takeshita Street, the heart of Harajuku, is lined with trendy boutiques, quirky stores, and colorful cafes. It's a place where fashion enthusiasts come to express their unique style. As you stroll through Harajuku, you'll encounter a blend of high fashion and street style. Check out the latest trends in designer stores or find something completely unique in the vintage shops. Don't forget to visit some of the area's famous crepe stands for a sweet treat that's as stylish as it is delicious. But Harajuku isn't just about fashion. The district is also home to the serene Yoyogi Park, a perfect contrast to the bustling streets. Here, you can relax and watch local performers, joggers, and families enjoying the open space. For a touch of traditional Japan, take a walk to the nearby Meiji Shrine. Nestled in a lush forest, this Shinto shrine offers a peaceful retreat from the vibrant city life and is a wonderful way to experience Japanese culture amidst Harajuku's modernity. Whether you're exploring cutting-edge fashion or seeking a moment of calm, Harajuku offers a unique blend of experiences that captures the spirit of Tokyo's youth culture. Au revoir and keep exploring!